The MBKR is the latest addition to DS18's line of audio products designed to optimize the way you use your audio system. Intended for all marine and power sport applications, this universal bass knob allows remote volume or level control with configurability for use as a subwoofer or zone level control to any source unit compatible with RCAs. This means you can adjust your volume from the comfort of the captain's chair. Plus, its waterproof design ensures reliable performance even in wet environments like boats, jet skis, or ATVs. With its convenient one-hole mounting method, installation is a breeze. Simply mount the MBKR to your dashboard or twin console and enjoy easy access to precise sound adjustments. Experience superior audio control and customization with the DS18 MBKR, Universal Waterproof RCA Line Level Control.